Hello and welcome to Teaching Simple. Without you, I'm nothing, so thank you for being here. Today I'm going to teach your simple ass how to crop a photo to use as a Facebook banner inside of Photoshop. So I already have the Photoshop open. I have my photo ready to go. So all that's left for me to do is I'm going to use a shortcut on my keyboard to get the crop tool, which is the letter C for crop. So I press C. I now have the crop tool. What the crop tool also allowed me to do is rotate this picture, which I do want to do for this banner that I'm making now. So I'm going to hold down the left mouse button and then I'm going to rotate the picture. That gives me the horizontal view that I want. Now all that's left to do is set the size for the banner. The current size for a Facebook banner is 851 by 315. Now please note that if those numbers have changed, all you have to do is use the current relevant numbers to achieve the same thing. So now all I'm going to do is press enter twice. There I have the crop that I need to use for my Facebook banner, and now the picture is complete. Thank you again for being here today. I hope this tutorial helped your simple ass out. If it did, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.